Now student, we are having one more result, that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. It means that if we are having one circle and it is center of the circle O, and here we are having a point P, external point, external means which lies outside of the circle. From this point, if I am going to draw two tangents, one and this one is second, PA and PB, then length of PA is always equal to length of B. So the result is length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So here the value of the PA is equal to PB. This result we are going to use in our numerical. So read one statement that they said a quadrilateral ABCD circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe means a quadrilateral which contained a circle properly, means the circle touches to every boundary of the circle. So the quadrilateral ABCD circumscribe a circle, prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This thing we want to prove. So first of all we have to keep this thing in our mind. Clear? Now in this figure, first of all check out properly. A is my external point. So from the external point I am going to draw two tangent. One is AP, second one is AS, and by our this one theorem we know that the length of AP is equal to length of AS because these are the tangent from the external point. In the same way, B is my external point and the tangents BP and BQ are equal in length. In the same way, C is my external point. So the tangent from this point CR and CQ equal in length. D is my external point and tangent from this point DR and DS is equal in length. So by using this definition, how I am going to prove this? So check out. So first of all, I want AB line and CD line to one side. So what you want to prove, first of all, keep in your mind. This is AB. This is my AB side. So P is my external point. From this, I draw two tangents, AP and PS. So we know that AP is equal to AS. Clear? Give as equation number 1. Same way from B point I drawn two tangents, BP and BQ. So BP is equal to BQ. Equation number 2. Third, from C point I drawn two tangents, CR and CQ. So I am going to write it as CR is equal to CQ. Equation number 3. From D point again I drawn two tangent, DR and DS. So DR is equal to DS. Equation number 4. And the reason behind all these equation, that length of the tangent drawn from the external point are equal in length. Clear? So upper side one theorem you can mention here for the reason purpose. Next is I am going to add all the equations. So left side will be added into left and right will be into right. So AP plus BP plus CR plus DR, it is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now AP plus BP, this total line is what? AB. So on the place of these two I am able to write AB plus CR plus DR. This total is what? CD. So I can write here CD. It is equal to AS plus SD. AS plus SD. This total line is what? AD. So on the place of these two things I am able to write here AD, plus on the place of these two things I am able to write here BC, and hence proved this thing we want to prove. So from your exercise, now you are able to solve the related question. Thank you.